Welcome to Heritage Auto Center of O'Connell Falls. We offer quality, dependable, pre-owned vehicle sales, service, and tires from professionals you can count on. Heritage offers a wide selection of pre-owned cars and trucks that are sure to fit any budget. The service department here at Heritage continues to grow and now offers a wide array of services. From oil changes to engine changes, diagnostics, tires, brakes, and exhaust, Heritage has you covered. We believe in doing the job right the first time and completing the work on time and under budget. Need an oil change? You're in luck. Heritage offers a full synthetic oil change, tire rotation, complimentary 30-point inspection, and fluid top-off service for only $29.99. The weather's getting colder, and that means Old Man Winter has arrived. Stop by Heritage for a free winter vehicle check. We'll check your battery, coolant protection level, belts, and hoses at no cost. We want to ensure your car will start in the cold winter months to come. Come experience the Heritage difference today.